Hi, welcome back to I'm going to get attacked this episode.
And welcome back to something. I presume it's mythical.
Yeah, you are correct.
I still don't know why I'm in this round.
I still don't know why I got it. Do you know why I'm here?
No, I don't. And I'm amazed that you somehow fumbled your words there.
I tried my hardest.
You're a failure.
I know that. Oh, shit.
There we go. There's the death we were looking for. GG. Nolan left at 87, or maybe lower, and he healed, depending on the situation.
Watch me die to this creeper.
The same book that I found. That'd be hilarious.
I'm kidding. I would never die to such a thing. I have 2 diamonds left over, by the way, so in case you want to be a team player and save some.
Well, I first need to make the enchants.
Yeah, you do that. Do you have the stuff for it?
Yeah.
Like I don't?
Yeah. Oh, I got another bow from Skelly. Interesting. I found more diamonds.
Hi, more diamonds. How do you do? I can hear the disappointment in your voice.
They are not animate objects. You stupid fuck. Okay.
Yes? Good sir.
Interesting.
My...
What's wrong?
Everything. Everything is wrong. Whoa. Okay.
That is quite a statement. I tabbed out.
Yeah, so did I. Oh yay, my Uber Eats payment was approved. Finally.
You ordered Uber Eats?
What? Yeah?
Nerd.
I just... What did you just call me?
Nerd. What else would I call you?
Gay boy?
See, that's just being a little too generous. Oh, hey, he's back.
I also have a girlfriend now, so you can say that.
I can no longer call you gay. My insults can no longer work.
Wee. Cry now. Cry more.
This is a very saddening day. Why am I just stuck down here?
Because
There shouldn't be water. There shouldn't. Oh, there is water. Oh, okay. Excuse me.
You know, I'm shocked I haven't found anyone in my cave yet. Shocked, I tell you.
Well, considering how close I am to 0-0, I'm shocked as well.
Wait, how close did you get?
400 blocks?
Should I go to you now?
No, I think I'm fine. Someone would have attacked me by now. Speaking of, I think I'm gonna need to double check, but maybe I just found someone else's footsteps.
Uh-oh.
Seems the Yeti is starting to strike. He got him to 25. Oh, God.
On God?
Yeti isn't all that invincible, it seems.
Like the other beasts? Right?
Sure, we'll go with that.
Because, really no experience with the beasts.
I get it.
Wow. That was tough.
Good job. You coughed.
You did not hear what I said?
No, I did.
Fake Iron Man. I won the Iron Man.
Lamau. What happened to A-Ridge and Radix? Why are they both at half health?
I won Iron Man by a lot. There, I did it. I did the funny.
God damn it. Greeple's... Okay. Interesting. Is that it?
Huh?
Oh yeah, that's most definitely it.
What? What's it? Have you made...
Cave spiders.
Have you made the enchants yet?
I have not gotten the chance to yet, but I will in a second.
One.
I need to find a lava pool first, dude.
One. Oh, that's why they were low, because they were probably fighting.
Syndic, yeah.
Okay,
and
everything
Kel just killed another person.
Oh, gold is... Everything is happening, and we're not a part of it.
That's good.
Yeah, but have you found gold?
Yeah. Yes.
No, I haven't.
Well, somewhat.
How much?
30.
Oh, shit. We're kind of screwed.
Yeah. Gold luck hasn't been the best at all.
Neither has diamond luck for me.
Well, I have enough to make a chest plate for myself.
Oh, shit. I hear a witch.
I hope you get poisoned for funnies.
Do you want to use all your healing on me?
No, then I just kill you, get the head, and then, you know, epic plan fun time. Oh, another bow.
Oh, hey, guess what I found, Lowell?
What?
Gold. Just as I was complaining about it.
Amazing. So, my
How
strategy...
did you get through there?
What happened?
Like, I spleefed a zombie, but then it just got to me before the lava encircled it.
Huh.
It's a legend.
It is indeed the legend of the zombie that could.
The legend 27.
Now you see, you are not allowed to.
I ruined it.
You ruined the joke.
Wait, hold on. There's something I need to look at.
Porn?
No, not even close.
OnlyFans? I gotta at least be close on something I'm saying.
It's art.
Well, that's close enough.
That's why I said, ish.
Alright, time to find a lava
Whoa,
pool.
holy shit, I almost ran right into the lava I was talking about.
Alright, I need to find a lava pool.
To jump in?
Kind of, yeah.
You heard that?
What'd I hear?
Me sputtering all over my floor.
Yeah, I heard that. One of it.
I'm just exhausted at this point.
Well, I just woke up, so...
I mean, I've been standing in line for like, an hour-ish.
Doing
Outside.
what? Oh. Sounds immaculate.
Did you see what I said?
Yeah. You are the epic trollster. Erich slew Frothing
Blue? Is that a word?
Kind of. Oh, I found more mineshaft. Whoop-de-doo.
You sound so enthused.
Yeah. And judging from this mineshaft, it looks like either me or someone else has been here already.
Probably you. Hopefully you.
Yeah. Well, I'll probably find out, like, soon enough.
Once you get dropped.
Oh, yeah, it was most definitely me.
Hi.
Oh, did I get this one yet? Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, a lava pool. Thank God. I was looking for one. Stop doing that.
What? Okay,
Alright.
I just
It is-
responded. Hold on.
It is time to make some enchants. Are you excited?
I am excited to leave this cave to see you.
Hmm?
That's not gay at all. What?
Okay.
La 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 la. Nope. Like, this cave is trash. So I think I'm going to go enchant.
Well, my cave is also kind of fucked, so I don't know.
Do you want to just go to the surface and meet up?
I don't know.
Is this a kid see them from agency? Your mom. Bruh.
You're having way too much fun reading chat messages, aren't you?
Yeah.
Why?
It's my favorite recorded round pastime.
Okay, boomer.
I hate that you can actually call me that now.
What do you mean?
It makes me feel old. Stop it.
Alright. I'll call you,
A super. TL?
Why?
As I'm at the surface.
I mean, if you can help me find some goodies in this cave, then I will be forever in your debt.
And then immediately says, never mind, I'm not in your debt. I wish
Sure.
there was a $100 Amazon gift card that you can find somewhere here. You know, that's what happened in the first Winter Wonderland, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, I see that swamp you were talking about. Get out of my swamp, mate.
Get out of my swamp.
Get out of my simp.
Get out of my simp.
People have already started calling me simps. Simps? That's simple plural. What?
Just I don't know. Being
Do you agree with them?
Existing, I guess, is my problem right now.
I found chickens above you.
Good job.
But God! What? Yeah, same. That's what I did.
Yeah, but as you may know, I am dignified when I do it.
I heard sounds.
Alright then.
Stop! You're right there.
What do you mean?
Do you hear that?
Yeah, I do, and I think I just started lagging.
Good. Hello.
So that's fun. Hi. Welcome to the cave.
Did you spare any diamonds from me?
I only have one that I can spare you.
Achoo.
Thank you. Take this chest plate.
Do I care?
Why?
Oh, bye, bye, bye. Don't want to see you again.
Wow.